Welcome to another video today. In today's video, we are going to talk about 5 passive income ideas that can help you make money in 2025. This video is being made in 2025, so we want to talk about the 5 passive income ideas. So if you're thinking of something you want to be doing, maybe something, most especially stuffs that you can be doing online to earn money for yourself without stress, without struggling too much, then this is a video you should watch to the end. On this channel, we talk about how you can make money online and how you can increase your income. My name is Awajima Misioto, and I would like you to just like this video, subscribe to this video, and turn on your notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you'll be the first to be notified. All right, so it's going to be a quick one. Let's just go straight into the video. Let me show you 5 passive income ideas that will help you make some money for yourself. So my number 1 is drop shipping. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. Number 3 is blogging. Number 4 is online course. Number 5 is video content creation. Although there are other ways for you to make money online, other passive ways to make money, but these are my best 5 that I'm just showing you in this video. This drop shipping now is about you helping suppliers to sell their products. Okay, you don't need to be there, you don't need to be physically present, you don't need to have inventories with you. All you need to do is to use digital skills to help them market their product. So you are helping them get their product from their hand, take their product from them and help them to sell to the buyer. Are you getting now? So there are various products that you can sell using drop shipping. An example is tech products. They are evergreen products. All right, that is drop shipping. Number 2 is affiliate marketing. This is a very lucrative way for you to make money. So if you know how to help people provide solutions, okay, you are recommending digital solutions to people and then you are getting paid for every sale. All right, and the beauty about this affiliate marketing is that you can earn as much as 50% commission per sale. So this is a business that I've been doing and I can tell you for sure it is real, it is possible. You can also do it. Okay, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop all details there for you. Another one is blogging. Although blogging takes time, but you will make a lot of money blogging. If you know how to write, if you love to share your thoughts online so that people can read, then blogging is a very good way for you to make money online. However, you need some skills. All right, you need the skill of how to set up website pages online and other skills. So that's what blogging is all about. Number 4 is online courses. You can be making money by creating your own online course. So maybe you know about anything, you know how to do baking, you know soap making, you know liquid soap production, you know snail farming, fish farming, whatever you know, you can create your course around that topic and sell it online and make money for yourself. All right, this is another way for me to make money. This is one of the ways I make money. That is number 4. Number 5 is video content creation. You can start creating video content online, maybe on YouTube or on TikTok, and start making money for yourself. So these are 5 passive income ideas that can help you make money in this 2025. So if you want to learn more about any of these, just go to the link in the description and click on any of the links that you see in the description, and then I'm going to show you more about anyone you want to learn. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. So if you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.